Alright, I'm going to show you how to cook a omelette. We have the eggs. I cracked in 6 eggs and half a cup of milk. I got some bell peppers mixed with some jalapenos for a little bit of a kick. I also have some red onion, sausage, and ham. Of course, salt and pepper. So I have my pan heating up. I'm going to start by adding my meat, which is my sausage that I already had pre-cooked. I also have my ham that is diced and ready to go. Add that in there. Now I'm going to let that warm up before I add any of my onion or vegetables. Alright, so my pan is warmed up and I got my sausage and ham mixing and warming up together. Now I'm going to add, I got some red onion here. You can add red onion, yellow onion, whichever onion you like. I also have my bell pepper mix here. I'm going to add that in. And I'm just going to stir it and mix it all together. So you can see we're going to let all the onions cook until they're translucent and the bell peppers until they're also well cooked. Alright, I have my eggs here. I'm going to whip those up until all the yolks are broken and everything's well blended. As you can see, a little bit of egg escaped there. Alright, so my bell peppers, my sausage, and onions are all well cooked. Now I'm going to pour the eggs onto the sausage and everything. I'm going to salt and pepper it. There's the salt, pepper, and now I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir. I'm going to let it set and just cook for a little bit, and then I'll come and flip it over. Okay, so they've been cooking for a few minutes, so I'm just going to flip them over one section at a time. Now you want to cook this until the eggs no longer look wet. You want them to be fluffy and done. And then I'll let them cook a little bit longer and then come flip them again. Alright, so they've cooked a little bit longer. I'm flipping them more. As you can see, each time I flip them, less liquid is running off of them. These are looking really good. I have to say, omelet is like my family's favorite thing. They could eat breakfast any time of the day. Alright. I'm going to let them set a little bit more to cook and add some cheese at the very end. Alright, I'm going to give these one last flip. Break them up a little bit. Now they're looking nice and fluffy. I'm going to add some cheese. We're going to just let those sit there and finish cooking and let that cheese melt right there on top. Alright, this is done. The cheese is melted. Take those to a plate. Oh yeah, this is pretty doggone good. Now you can toast you some toast and have that with your omelet also. If you like this recipe, please like it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe.